Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another episode here. My name is Dominic and I'm the host of the Android Factory. Well, this is about it folks. This is a season wrap here. I just wanted to post this video to let you guys know where I stood with this and update you on a little bit of news. So you can see behind me here our build.gradle is up and running. The application is here. It's in a pretty stable state, so I'm pretty happy with that. And if you've been following the last few episodes, you know that we've gone through and actually published this app on the App Store. That's right, we are in the Google Play console here, and we do have our app in production at the moment. You can search it on the Google Play Store. Not too much going on here as far as downloads, but that is expected. You can see here, Simple Morty, that's me, and we've gone ahead and posted this application on the App Store. So everything is here, it is not a hoax. However, I have been having issues downloading this on my own personal device. Please drop a comment below if you also have tried this and for some reason it doesn't install. I'm actually in communication with someone at the Google behind the scenes to try to figure out what is going on here. If I did something wrong, you know there'll be another video out showing us how to remedy the situation, but I honestly don't know exactly what's going on. So that will get resolved over time. But also, I am leaving for vacation for 2 weeks tomorrow on Friday, July 30th. So if you're watching this and you're keeping up to date, there will be a little bit of a delay here in some content coming out. I do apologize for that, but just so you do know here, there is plenty of Kotlin-based tutorials that I have scheduled here that are going to be releasing from now until the time that I get back. So there will be content out on the channel, except it will not be in the format that we've been used to here with this season, with this idea of kind of building out some long-winded project. But because we are getting to the end here, or we are at the end, we may come back and update the application over time. But we are going to look to start something new. So honestly, I think what I'm going to do is the snake game, the classic snake game where you kind of have directional input and the snake changes direction, and if it eats a apple, it grows a little bit bigger, and there's certain squares or certain tiles you can't run into. Obviously, you can't run into yourself. If you know what I'm talking about, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, let me know what your thoughts are. There are plenty of other things here that we can obviously dive into. We are just scratching the surface of what this channel will turn into, so I am open to any and all feedback here. Would love to hear you guys and hear what you've been enjoying so far and what you'd like to see in the future. But that is about it. There's really no code in this one. I apologize if you were looking forward to it, but I will be back in a little bit and we will pick it up then. So yeah, if you made it this far in the video, I'd really appreciate a like. I'd really appreciate you subscribing as well if you notice you are not subscribed and you are looking forward to some new content or some helpful tutorials and whatnot. If you haven't seen any of this Rick and Morty episode or season, I highly recommend going back and checking it out. We've really covered a tremendous amount in here. All cutting edge things around networking, architecture, Kotlin, just the bee's knees right now in the world of Android. So thank you guys for sticking with me, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.